was data analytics. So sir, how do you think data analytics is going to change current business landscape?
So see, data is everywhere. Nowadays, everybody talks about data. A lot of businesses are taking data-driven decisions. So it is important for every business now to understand what has happened in the past, and only data is going to tell that story. Which is why for every business, they want to analyze the historical data, see what kind of patterns emerge, understand their consumer behavior, understand what has worked well, what should be improved. And it's not just about data, it is also about understanding their business processes through that data, so that they can find opportunities for digital transformation, they can find opportunities for cost saving, and every business is going towards that particular theme. So in the coming days, you will see there is a lot of requirement of these analytical skills that are required. There will be a lot of job roles related to data analytics. There will be a lot of job roles related to data science. So everybody now should think of how we can accept or adapt to the changing world, to the changing skill sets that are required by the industry, by the various kind of companies. Because every footprint that you take is generating data for the business. It is where if you have a phone, you are using your phone to message someone, to find navigations on maps, to order food, everything what you do is generating data for the business, which is very useful for them. They can understand your behavior and they can also strategize on how to improve their services in future. So yes, data is going to be very important for businesses going forward.
There is another emerging technology, generative AI. How do you think it will disrupt the future of data analytics?
Yeah, good question, Garima. So generative AI is, as the name says, generate something, right? So a lot of people are now using ChatGPT. You see how the technology has evolved. Data analytics was about understanding the historical data, identifying patterns, and then making a future prediction. But now with generative AI, it is unlimited imagination. So you imagine something, you ask the ChatGPT tool to give you that outcome and it generates it for you. Not necessarily that is available. So what happens with generative AI is there is a lot of automation that is going to happen, and more accurate outcomes are going to come. It's still in its initial phase, I would say, but there are a lot of companies around the world who are working on developing very sophisticated models that will help not only predict based on the past data, but also to generate new content, which is in the form of text, images, video. So now you can see there are many tools like ChatGPT, you have Copilot, you have Gemini, and then there are a lot of tools that works on specific kind of data as well. So as I said, the possibilities are unlimited, and definitely we will see a lot more advancement coming into generative AI, with more companies getting involved who are investing billions of dollars into creating these systems, and it will take over the data analytics very soon.
True, sir. Generative AI is going to disrupt the whole market.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights on data analytics and generative AI.
Yes, it was my pleasure.